dinner.
Status?
What's that? Flight controls.
What up? For rates? YouTube?
What is it again? For the flight deck?
For rates?
This one of a kind VIA here safari. It's going to take us over a unique territory. The region encompasses the three tallest and most gigantic ranges of the planet. Namely the majestic Hindu Kush,
Pakistan, 451, just coming up first landing in Pakistan, 451, approaching outbound, reporting show. 110 left Pakistan. That's it.
152. B1 147, DR 153, 156, dip in Toga Kick.
147, DR 156, Toga Kick.
24757.
Kevin.
Takeoff, no blue.
Down. Take the front way.
Order right to go.
Runway 10 right, give it good. T-gas.
TA.
Selector. Backs.
On 80 blue.
Left. Okay, brake transit going off. Lights on. Lights on. 451.
That's all. gentlemen, on your left is Mount K2. The glacier is coming down.
Pakistan 451, we're checking Concertia and heading back to Seoul.
We turn back towards Gardu. People on the right, you can see towards the right is Chorisa, back to station number 1. Move forward from K2. Turning back, right? Yes, sir. Marble Peak भी है, वो सामने वो वाला ठीक है। आप अंदर जाकर जो बोल सर मार्शल रूम nice spot for us. The speed forward is off. You can remember stepping up with
That's still back.
okay, this is good.
Okay, done.
Terrain ahead.
Disregard.
Terrain ahead.
Disregard. Usual. 145. Track is set. All set, huh? Flaps are full. Landing checklist complete.
Thank you.
Turning file for turn 451.
100 above.
145.
Minimum.
Yo-yo on the flight. Oh,
1000.
check, and stabilize.
500. 400.
451, it's like a perfect clear land. Right. All set, buddy.
All right.
210. 200. 100. 50. 40. 30. 20. Retard. Retard. 5.
Exclusive spoilers.
Lead is on. 5-8 is the time.
And you draw off.
Fuel pumps are going off.